Hey guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm going to be showing you a very special style using the velvet turban, and it's a really simple style, but I really like this style, the way it looks, so I just wanted to share that with you. You can also achieve this style with a scarf, so I hope you enjoy this. Okay, so here I'm trying to make sure that I'm laying as flat as I can the part that I'm wrapping around, because you want it to have a nice width and not have it like scrunched up or twisted. This is not a twisted style, it's more of a flat wrap around, so that's why I'm just trying to make sure that I spread out the end of the velvet turban before I wrap it around, just so I have a nice flat look around, and the center, which is my head, is nice and smooth. Yeah, so yeah. Once it's done, it should kind of look like a hat, or yeah, like a cap, a stylish cap or a stylish hat. The second style is a slightly different variation of the same style, so putting a slight bend to it. So as you've seen, I've just swooped it down and tucked it in at the end, so just for a slight variation again, and tuck it so that it looks like, you know, you have a dome in the middle and the wrap around going around the forehead. And very easy, simple style. Okay, so I've tried to achieve the same look using a scarf. I think my scarf was a square shape, and I folded it into a triangle and tried to use that to create the same look. And what do you think? Yay or nay? Because I think that a plain scarf will probably have shown the style more. This scarf is patterned, so it's kind of difficult to see what they've done, but it's still simple anyway, and you can still get the same look. So yeah, what do you think? It's worth a try? Doesn't take much time. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed this video anyways. Do make sure to click on the like button below and subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications so you know when I upload another kind of video like this or something else you might enjoy. Thank you again for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye everyone.